GMT in every practical sense rose 36.35% in 7 days. Or so they most certainly thought. Bull-controlled GMT certainly in every practical sense, current cost activities in an all things considered, huge way. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN basically is floating at $346,717,663, which basically generally is genuinely critical. Current STEPN cost by and large for the most part is $0.2918 August 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through STEPN cost examination for now, or for extremely sort of the following week, and basically certainly attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense, clarified some pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is quite transient cost expectation for STEPN, truly in every way that really matters, is GMT a truly wise interest in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought, STEPN support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the GMT specialized investigation, in every practical sense, sort of allowed us explicitly to discuss the ongoing economic situations, which by and large is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the sort of absolute last 24 hours, there sort of generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,053,100,425,532, which for the most part is very critical, which is very huge. The really complete exchanging volume entirely remains at $71,015,534,287 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part in a real sense has a strength of 16.33% in a decently enormous manner, which actually in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17%, which for the most part is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, basically has seen a value decline of 6.02%. Coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner in a significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, explicitly is somewhere near 13.42 and presently exchanging at 51 cents, fundamentally truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is very critical. These occasions generally show that the market basically is going in a sort of descending bearing, for kind of momentary in an exceptionally significant manner. As of now, a kind of broad most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is genuinely huge. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally especially recognize actually genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, for the most part sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is genuinely huge. Support generally is a level at which purchasers certainly become in every practical sense all the more certainly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which all things considered, most certainly is genuinely critical, which basically is very huge. Similarly, opposition in every way that really matters is a level at which merchants especially explicitly become move essentially extremely dynamic and explicitly most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in every practical sense is very critical in a kind of huge manner. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of STEPN. GMT STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, in a real sense, for the most part is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the by and large genuinely beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week in a sort of enormous manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is $346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while pretty beautiful complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, which explicitly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time span in a truly significant manner, or so they thought. They're basically in every practical sense are right around 1,104,192,453, generally in every way that really matters, are available for use out of 5,566,425,803. Truly lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 18 August 2023. Inside a for the most part everyday time period in a real sense, fundamentally made sense of beneath, exhibiting how GMT in a real sense rose 36.35% in 7 days, which basically really is genuinely huge. We utilize fundamentally exceptionally relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving sort of genuinely normal union and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving pretty especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA to by and large explicitly break down the future development of the STEPN.THE especially relative strength file. RSI demonstrates that the GMT coin essentially in a real sense is close oversold zone, as RSI certainly is at 37. Or so they generally essentially thought in a significant manner, while GMT's Williams % R pointer sort of by and large is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange kind of sign generally is somewhat truly conceivable at this reach in every practical sense. Fundamentally further appearance how support basically is a level at which purchasers for the most part generally become commonly sort of more lovely especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely sort of additional in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. The MACD line entirely all goals and designs is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid in a fundamentally huge manner, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN financial backers need to by and large explicitly sit tight for any directional change over the fundamentally day-to-day outline, showing how stepn value examination GMT cost investigation for 18 August 2023, inside a sort of in every practical sense, day-to-day time span, especially made sense of beneath, exhibiting how GMT in every way that really matters, rose 36.35% in 7 days in a quite huge manner. Or so they generally thought. The STEPN fundamentally essentially has in every practical sense, break all its in every practical sense, upholds levels, and things generally are not looking especially really great for the crypto market, exhibiting that various elective digital